Welcome to our journey to unlocking radiant beauty. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative world of detox juices that promise not just to refresh and rejuvenate your body, but specifically enhance the glow of your skin and the shine of your hair. We've meticulously researched and tested these recipes to bring you the top 4 detox juices that are your allies in achieving that coveted radiant beauty. Importance of detox juices for skin and hair. Detox juices are essential for promoting healthy skin and hair. They help flush out toxins, hydrate the skin, and provide essential nutrients like vitamins and antioxidants. These juices support collagen production, combat free radicals, and nourish hair follicles, resulting in radiant skin and lustrous hair. Detox juices aid in flushing out toxins by promoting kidney and liver function. They hydrate the skin by providing essential moisture, promoting elasticity and suppleness. Additionally, these juices supply vital nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting hair growth, strengthening follicles, and preventing damage for healthier, stronger strands. Let's go over the 4 detox juices. 1. Green Goddess Juice. The Green Goddess Juice is a refreshing blend of nutrient-rich ingredients, including spinach. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, spinach promotes collagen production for skin elasticity and supports hair growth. Kale. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, kale helps detoxify the body and combat free radicals for glowing skin and healthy hair. Cucumber. High in water content, cucumber hydrates the skin and aids in detoxification, while also providing essential minerals like silica for strong hair. Lemon. Loaded with vitamin C and citric acid, lemon helps cleanse the body, boost immunity, and enhance skin radiance. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to promote overall health, radiant skin, and luscious hair. To prepare the Green Goddess Juice, follow these simple steps. 1. Wash thoroughly and roughly chop 2 cups of fresh spinach and kale. 2. Peel and chop 1 cucumber into chunks. 3. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a blender. Add the chopped spinach, kale, cucumber, and 1 cup of water to the blender. Blend on high speed until smooth and well combined. Optional. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp. Pour the Green Goddess Juice into glasses and serve immediately. Enjoy the refreshing and nutrient-packed goodness of this green elixir for glowing skin and hair. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. The Berry Blast Smoothie is a delicious blend of vibrant fruits, each contributing to its healthful. It includes strawberries. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, strawberries promote collagen production for skin elasticity and protect hair follicles from damage. Blueberries. Rich in anthocyanins and vitamins, blueberries fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and enhance skin radiance. Raspberries. High in fiber and antioxidants, raspberries support digestion, detoxification, and overall skin health. Coconut water. Hydrating and electrolyte-rich, coconut water replenishes fluids, balances pH levels, and nourishes skin and hair from within. Combined, these ingredients create a flavorful smoothie that promotes glowing skin and healthy hair. To prepare the Berry Blast Smoothie, follow these simple steps. 1. Wash 1 cup each of fresh strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. 2. Add the berries to a blender. 3. Pour in 1 cup of coconut water for hydration. 4. Optionally, add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. 5. Blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness if necessary. Pour the smoothie into glasses. Garnish with a few whole berries. Serve immediately and enjoy the refreshing burst of fruity goodness, packed with antioxidants for glowing skin and hair health. 3. Carrot and Ginger Elixir. The Carrot and Ginger Elixir combines the following ingredients, each offering unique health benefits. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots support healthy skin cell turnover, repair damaged hair follicles, and provide antioxidants for anti-aging benefits. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger soothes irritated skin and scalp conditions, while promoting circulation for detoxification and improved nutrient absorption. Oranges. Packed with vitamin C, oranges boost collagen production, brighten skin tone, and strengthen hair follicles. This elixir offers a potent blend of nutrients that promote overall skin and hair health, making it a refreshing and nourishing addition to your wellness routine. To prepare the Carrot and Ginger Elixir, 1. Wash and peel 2-3 medium-sized carrots, then chop them into smaller pieces. 2. Peel a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger root and slice it into thin pieces. 3. Juice 2-3 oranges to extract their juice. 4. Add the chopped carrots and ginger slices to a juicer or blender. 5. Blend until smooth, adding a splash of water if needed to reach your desired consistency. 6. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp. 7. Combine the strained juice with the freshly squeezed orange juice. Stir well to combine, then pour the elixir into glasses. Serve immediately and enjoy the refreshing and nutrient-rich elixir for glowing skin and hair health. 4. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. The Tropical Paradise Smoothie features a blend of exotic fruits, each offering unique health benefits. It includes pineapple, rich in vitamin C and bromelain. Pineapple supports collagen production, aids digestion, and reduces inflammation for glowing skin and improved hair health. Mango. Packed with vitamins A and E, mango promotes skin cell regeneration, fights oxidative stress, and strengthens hair follicles. Kiwi. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, kiwi boosts collagen synthesis, protects against free radicals, and enhances scalp health. This smoothie provides a burst of tropical flavors and essential nutrients, nourishing skin and hair from the inside out. To prepare the Tropical Paradise Smoothie: 1. Peel and chop 1 cup of fresh pineapple into chunks. 2. Peel and dice 1 ripe mango. 3. Peel and slice 2 kiwis. 4. Add the pineapple, mango, and kiwi to a blender. 5. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk for creaminess and hydration. 6. Optionally, add a handful of ice cubes for a chilled texture. 7. Blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness if desired by adding a drizzle of honey. Pour the smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. Enjoy the tropical flavors and nourishing benefits of this refreshing smoothie for radiant skin and hair. Incorporating detox juices into your routine for maximum benefits. 1. Start your morning with a detox juice as a refreshing and hydrating alternative to coffee. 2. Replace sugary or caffeinated beverages with detox juices as a mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up. 3. Enjoy a detox juice as a pre-workout boost to energize and hydrate your body. 4. Include detox juices as part of your meal prep routine for convenient, on-the-go nutrition. 5. Use detox juices as a base for smoothies or cocktails to add flavor and nutrition. 6. Experiment with different combinations of fruits and vegetables to keep your routine exciting and varied. 7. Sip on a detox juice before bed to hydrate and nourish your body while promoting restful sleep. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health and beauty content.